Bell yn ôl i Harrington. Owens chwilio am Mendes. Does na munud ar y cloc. Fe Mendes yn teimlo ella fod wedi rhoi Connah ar y blaen. Yn fuan iawn yn y gêm. Tom Price. Tuag at y post yn y gosa. Nôl i mewn gan Evans. Crosby. Harry Owen ar ergyd. Arbediad da gan Oliver Byrne yn y gol. Disgynnodd y bel yn ffodus ella i Harry Owen. Cyfle gora hyd yma i Met Caerdydd. Pas da gan Unsol. Ffidio Curran. Ergyd Curran y taro traws. A dyna'r agosa, da ni wedi bod at gol yma hyd yn hyn. Aaron Williams yr eilid. Y tafliad hir. Ôl beniad gan Horan, ond Unsol yn cam sefyll. Y lliman i fyny yn syth. Ac Unsol llathan y ddwy. Rhy agos i'r gol. 10 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Aaron Williams ar tafliad hir. Ôl beniad gan Horan. Ac Unsol am ergyd gan Unsol. Efo'i gefn sy'n at y gol ac oddi ar gwylod y postyn. Tafliad hir. Sy'n at y postyn agosa. So gylwedd efo Gracie tro yma. At Edwards. A mae fewn yn y postyn pella na chydi. Cam sefyll. Unwaith eto. Gweitha. Protestiadau Connah. Cam sefyll ydy'r penderfyniad.
I think 0-0 was probably a fair result. I think both teams boxed each other off. Difficult conditions under feet, but I thought both sets of players acquitted themselves well. Yes, Connah's Quay have had 2 disallowed goals, but they are offside, clear offside. So, it was important that we came here today and kept the clean sheet, which is what we did.
Okay, can you sum up your feelings for us at the end of that?
I think frustration more than anything else. We had large spells of the game where we had them under pressure, especially second half. I think the first half was very even. Second half, I think we created opportunities, and I think you look at and you sum up the game, and we had 2 disallowed goals. We've hit the crossbar, we've hit the post, and we've had an unbelievable opportunity in the first minute of the game with Paulo Mendes with a header, and that should be on a different day. It's enough to win you a game with the clean sheets we've been keeping in our defensive record. Then it's frustrating more than anything else.
We go again now with a really tough local derby next Friday night against Barry Town, which again will be important. But each game is vital for us. That today is the rerun of the Nathaniel Cup final. So both teams have had a look at each other. We've played them home and away now, and they've both been 2 draws. So it'll be interesting come February the 6th when we play that game.